Bitcoin, introduced in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto, is a digital currency that operates independently of a central authority. It is built on a technology called blockchain, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Bitcoin offers the promise of lower transaction fees than traditional online payment mechanisms and is operated by a decentralized authority, unlike government-issued currencies. Bitcoins are not physical coins but balances kept on a public ledger that everyone has transparent access to. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in the blockchain. One of the most appealing features of Bitcoin is its limited supply. The total number that will ever be issued is capped at 21 million. This scarcity is designed to prevent inflation, which is often seen with traditional currencies controlled by government policies that can lead to an unlimited printing of money. Bitcoin can be used for a variety of transactions, from buying coffee to booking flights to purchasing real estate. Its ability to bypass traditional intermediaries makes it an attractive option for lower transaction costs and speeds, especially in international transactions. The process of creating new bitcoins, known as mining, involves solving complex mathematical problems that validate transactions. Miners who solve these problems are rewarded with bitcoins, a mechanism that simultaneously serves to create new bitcoins and securely verify transactions, a critical aspect of Bitcoin's security. Bitcoin's value is highly volatile, influenced by factors such as governmental regulations, the level of adoption by businesses and consumers, and market sentiment. Its price can fluctuate dramatically, which makes it both a risky investment and a potentially lucrative one for speculators. Despite its benefits, Bitcoin also faces criticism and challenges. It has been associated with illegal transactions because of the anonymity it can provide. Moreover, the mining process consumes a significant amount of electrical energy, raising environmental concerns. Bitcoin has sparked a host of other digital currencies and technologies, inspiring a wave of innovation in the financial technology sector. Whether Bitcoin becomes the future of money or a precursor to other, even more, advanced technologies, it represents a monumental shift in how we think about currency and financial transactions in the digital age.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Your support helps us keep bringing you great videos like this one.